Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Notion for school. First, create a new workspace specifically for your academic life. This keeps everything organized and separate. Next, explore Notion's template gallery. There are many excellent options for students. Choose one that suits your style, perhaps a student dashboard or course planner. Finally, customize your main dashboard with quick links to your most important pages and any widgets you find helpful, like a calendar or to-do list. This initial setup takes only a few minutes. Now, let's organize your courses. Create a separate page or database for each course you are taking. Within each course page, you can track lecture notes, readings, and important dates. Link all related assignments directly to their course page for easy access. Utilize Notion's powerful properties like status, type, or priority to categorize your content. This structured approach ensures you can quickly find any information you need for any of your classes, saving you valuable time. Tracking assignments is crucial for academic success. Create a master assignment database where you list every single task, project, and exam. Include properties for due dates, course names, and status. Use Notion's various views, such as a calendar view to see deadlines at a glance, or a board view to track progress. Set up automated reminders for yourself, perhaps 3 days before a major deadline, to ensure you never miss an important submission. This system provides a clear overview of your workload. Finally, let's enhance your study and revision process. Dedicate a section within Notion for all your study notes, summaries, and flashcards. Utilize toggle lists for active recall, hide answers, and reveal them as you test yourself. This method is highly effective for spaced repetition. Consider integrating a simple habit tracker to monitor your consistent study routines, perhaps aiming for 30 minutes of review each day. Notion becomes a powerful, personalized study companion, helping you retain information and prepare effectively for exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.